Welcome. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change the inbox color in Outlook on your PC using the latest update. If you're ready to add a splash of personality to your inbox, follow these simple steps. First, open Outlook from your browser. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of the page. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on them. This will open up a navigation menu that gives you access to various features. Next, locate your inbox in the menu. Right next to it, you'll see 3 small dots. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options for customizing your inbox. From the drop-down menu, select Change Color. A palette of colors will appear for you to choose from. Take a moment to pick the color that best suits your style or mood. Once you've made your selection, click on it, and voila! Your inbox will instantly update to reflect your chosen color. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've transformed the look of your Outlook inbox. It's a quick and easy way to make your workspace more visually appealing and personalized. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might enjoy customizing their Outlook experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.